Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this wire storage basket. This could be used in your kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, really anywhere that you need to have a little storage container. This is a really nice size, and you can hang it. It comes with all of your mounting hardware, or you can hang it with a little hook. So let's get this thing put together, and then we will show you how you could actually use this. This is a super simple design. It's all put together already for you. All you've got to do is just kind of hook things in place and then screw on the top. So to put it together, they have these little hooks down at the bottom here that you just line up your wire, and it will then hook into place over here. And then the same thing with the top part, that hooks in. And then you just repeat the steps on the other side. So now you've got your basket, super simple. And then this is an 11.8 by 7.9 by 8.5. You've got this for the bottom of it, so then things won't just fall through. So that makes a nice steady bottom for it. Then you have your nice wooden top that just has the 3 little supports here that will line up right there in the back. And then we're gonna get some screws and we will put that in place. And then you're done. So that is super simple. Now this doesn't come with any sort of screwdriver, so you will need to have your own screwdriver to be able to put this together. If you did want to hang it, you've got 2 hanging things right here. You can just stick your little hangers in here and hang it from the wall, and that way you can take it down if you need to, or you could easily just use the screws and your sheetrock anchors and hang it from the wall with these 2 right there. So let's take it out to the kitchen and check it out. So here I've got it in my kitchen, and you could easily put any sort of fruits or anything underneath of here and have a nice little area you can grab fruits, or if you have K-cups or anything like that to be able to put down in to easily grab it. Top, salt and peppers, you can put little flower decorations. This just kind of makes it all look a lot nicer than just sitting out or being cluttered. And the fact that you can stack these, if you had extras, you can do that as well. Or if you wanted to hang it up on the wall behind you, on the back wall, you can easily do that as well. Now let's take it into the bathroom and check out some scenarios in there. Now if you wanted to use this in the bathroom, you can either set it up on your counter, or you can just put different things in there, and you can even mount it on the wall and just have it hanging there to be able to grab, say, toilet paper or lotions or soaps, all sorts of different things that you could use for this room as well. So this is a very versatile shelf, be used for all sorts of different purposes in many different rooms.